What's up, everybody? It's the Jack Trade, Jack of all trades. My name is James Calvin. I trade Forex and I'm documenting the process of my progress. As y'all can see on my screen, in today's video, I'm going to be going over a trade breakdown of a trade that I took during this week. As y'all see on the screen, it played out perfectly to the T. So I'm going to jump straight into it. First thing I want to start off with first is y'all can see that price is in a clear uptrend. Price consolidated within the zone, or was ranging within the zone for a couple weeks. So I actually did not trade AUDUSD in this zone. As y'all see right here, I did not trade anything within the zone. I waited for price to break out on either side of the zone. As y'all can see, we usually, when price consolidates, it likes to fake out on one side and then break out on the other side, come back into retest, and then continue in that direction. So when as y'all see, when this breakout happened, I wasn't looking for any moves on here. Actually, let me see what session that was. Well, you can't see it on here, but yeah, I didn't trade AUDUSD when it was ranging in this zone. So we ended up getting a break out of that zone, as y'all can see, and price was in an uptrend. So as y'all can see, price was in an uptrend, right? And we were creating higher highs and higher lows. So price created a higher high here, right? So let's look at it. So price created a higher high. So this is on the daily time frame. We got a daily close, and then what I did was I scaled down to my 4-hour time frame, and all that noise that you see is this on a lower time frame on 4 hours. So once we got the daily close, what I was looking for now was my retest here on the 4 hour, as y'all see here. So once I got the retest, I got my engulfing candle, as y'all see. Once I got my engulfing candle, close above the psychological level and above my EMA. So this is actually where I took my entry the first time. This was the first position I took. I took my entry from here and I placed my stops below, aiming for the next psychological level. So as y'all see, that was about a 1 to 4 risk to reward, and we instantly wanted some drawdown, but as y'all see, price still ended up going in our direction. So I was in this trade for a couple of days where y'all see price actually came up to this midpoint level, and then it completely rejected it. If we come back to the daily time frame, y'all can see here that price completely rejected this midpoint level and ended up coming back, retracing, and then we went up all the way to about 0.7500 and rejected this huge wick. So once I seen this rejection, I completely exited the trade with a little bit of profit. So I ended up waiting for price to retest the psychological level again. As y'all see here, there's this long wick here where price rejected off of the psychological level, and then we got an engulfing candle, and this is on the daily time frame. So this was an even stronger confirmation for me to enter this trade to go bullish. So I entered off of this daily engulfing candle with my stops below the previous higher low. So again, I'm gonna show y'all the example. As y'all see here, price created a higher high, and then what we ended up doing was creating a higher low on our lower time frame, right? So we on that lower time frame. So once we got the higher low, price gave us a higher high, and then another higher low, and then an engulfing candle, which is where I took my trade. This was my entry point for the trade, placing my stops below the previous higher low, right? Perfect 1 to 6 reward, as y'all see. My favorite candle to enter off of is an engulfing candle. Engulfing candle above my EMA, and after the entry, we was basically off to the races, as y'all see. So price gave us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, engulfing candle and entry, and from there we was off to the races, creating a new higher high at the next psychological level, as y'all can see here. It looks very, very clean. Let me hide this for y'all. So as y'all see, it looks very, very clean. Not only that, I also have my other confirmation where price was reacting off of my Fibonacci perfectly. It rejected the 50, and 618. So that's the breakdown for today. As y'all see, the trade played out to the T, 152 pips. Take profit for a 95 stop loss. 1 to 6 risk to reward. Literally no drawdown on the second entry. Again, the first one we experienced in drawdown, but we did ended up closing with some profit after price rejected our midpoint level. So again, that is the breakdown. It's very simple. When price is in an uptrend, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, and we're looking to take out highs to create new highs, placing our stops below the previous high or low. So as y'all seen on the breakdown, it's very simple and it's not really too much to it. The trade played out just as I planned it. So my name is James Cabo. I am the Jack Trade. That is the breakdown for today. Make sure y'all like the video, share the video, comment down below what y'all think, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.